how to create a Free Fire account. So if you want to create a Free Fire account, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply launch your application. Once your game launches, you need to tap on Allow Notifications to give the notification access to the game. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection as well. So tap on Allow. Now you will have an option to sign in with your Facebook. If you already have an account, you'll be able to proceed to sign in with your Facebook. However, if you want to create a new account, then you want to simply tap on Guest over on the bottom. What you basically want to do is simply tap on Create or tap on Go. Over here, you need to give permission. Go with Create New Folder, or go and select any folder that you're comfortable with, like for example, Android, and then I'll go with Media. Go with Use This Folder, which will be on the bottom, and then tap on Allow. Give permission to your Free Fire app over here, and then it will use your data. To use your folders to store your data. After that, what you have to do is just simply go and give yourself a nickname, create your nickname, and once you've given your nickname, your guest account will be created on your Free Fire. You want to simply select the level of player that you are and tap on Start, and by doing so, you'll be able to begin to play the game. This is how you can create a guest account, and if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.